Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are doing the security booth experience. I know I said I would do doors, but that's going to be next time. Shout out to Ariana for being my 10th subscriber. Okay. It means so much to me since we hit 10 subscribers. That's why I'm going to do doors. If this video gets up to 5 likes, I will do another game. Alright, here we go. Well, like a special game. Wait for customers to arrive. I'm guessing
Give me parking
this
pass B.
B? Okay. Oh, we have to hold it. Okay. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. And yeah, that's about it. Wait for customers to arrive.
I would like parking pass A, please.
Yes, sir. Okay. To whoever is working the night shift, the gate has been glitching all day, so you might have to fix it.
A prisoner has just escaped from a high-security prison. The prisoner was convicted of 40-plus murders. If you see the murderer, let your local police station know. Stay inside and stay safe.
Well, I can't believe that happened. Alright, what do you want?
I would like parking pass A, please.
A? Alright. There you go. So yeah, there's some noise coming from upstairs in my house, in the house. Take out the garbage. Down the path. Well, I'm guessing this is the path because it... Does this... Yep, that costs Robux. Down the path. Wait, but what's over here? That looks like something later that we need. Yeah, I got a feeling that there's gonna be a jump scare right now. Yep. Wait for customers to arrive. I'm guessing they want a B, but there hasn't been a C yet.
Give me parking pass B.
Oh, I was right. There we go. I'm gonna take a C. Wait for customers to arrive. Oh, here's one. I'm guessing it's a C.
Can I get parking pass C?
Alright, well, I guess I will see you later. Get it? Alright, that was just... Oh, fix the gate. I wonder what happened to the gate, though. That's the real question. Wait for customers to arrive. And I do wonder why this big fling hammer is here. Even though it's a troll.
Can I get parking pass C?
Okay, there you go. Alright. I wonder
Can
why
I get parking pass C?
Why does everyone want parking pass C? Or something like that. Oh, night 2. Well, we're off to a great start. We couldn't fix the gate, so you will have to deal with it. Oh, Right T.
Give me parking pass B.
Yes! There you go, and have a wonderful day. Okay. Please be
Can
A.
I get parking pass
No,
C?
C. Maybe it's A next one. Yeah, well, I wonder when we have to fix the gate. Inspect that sound. What is that? What? Oh my god. I am not human. I'm getting out of here. That was just weird. Oh my god, that scared me. I can't believe it tried to run me over.
Give me parking pass B.
Oh, B? Okay, there you go. Bye. If you want me to play more of these experience games, don't forget to subscribe if you're new and
Give
like
me
the
parking
video,
pass
please.
B.
Dang it.
I will be waiting for you.
Whoa. What? His voice is like weird. Oh no. Oh, I remember we came across the generator over here. But I got a bad feeling that something might happen. Please don't anything happen. Oh god. What even is that? Oh. That was close. I'm guessing it's C. Where even is the car? Oh, right. There it is. Oh, a purple car.
Can I get parking pass C?
Oh. Well, there you go. Night 3. Oh man. Sweep up the booth. There's the broom, and let's sweep up. This might take some time. Huh, I guess it didn't. Wait, there's still more. Oh, I guess not. Oh, another purple
I would like
one?
parking pass A, please.
This is like the night shift where they say the same thing, like, give me food number 3. Like that. Another one?
Can I get parking pass C?
Yup. There you go. I do wonder when the bad guy is coming. And is there a night 4?
I would like parking pass A, please.
Eh? Okay. Well, there you go. Bye. Oh, yeah. There's no letter. There's no letter. That's weird. let me pick up B.
Give me parking pass B.
There you go.
Breaking news, the killer is still on the loose. There has been reports of multiple
no.
people going missing throughout the night. The only connection to the missing people is that all of them worked night shifts. Stay inside and stay safe.
That's bad. Answer the phone.
You are my next victim. Since you are so pathetic, I will give you 30 seconds until I come to get you. The clock is ticking.
I'm getting out of here. But where? Stay or run to your car. I'm running. I don't know where my car is though. No. Please. No. Please be this car. No, oh no, I died. What does that mean? Oh, I guess he got me. Uh-oh. Is he gonna jump scare me? Trapped ending. You were caught. Better luck next time. Well, that was it, guys. If you enjoyed, oh, the next chapter, nice. Well, that was it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want me to do the next game, which is the cinema experience, then don't forget to subscribe. Bye.